Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is simplified. Minus 2 whole to the power 3 into minus 2 whole to the power 7 whole divided by 3 into 4 to the power 6. So let equals to, so there is a formula that is a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. From this formula, we can write that minus 2 whole to the power 3 plus 7, and the denominator as it is 3 into 4 to the power 6 minus 2 whole to the power 7 plus 3 is 10, and divided by 3 into 4 can be written as 2 square whole to the power 6 as it is. There is one more formula that is a to the power a whole to the power n equals to a to the power m into n. Using this formula, we can write that minus 2 whole to the power 10 divided by 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 6 is 12. So you can see 10 is a even number. So we know that any negative number whole to the power any positive or even number becomes a positive. So minus 2 whole to the power 10 is same as 2 to the power 10. So we can write that 2 to the power 10 divided by 3 into 2 to the power 12. So there is one more formula that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. So using this formula, we can write that 2 to the power 10 minus 12 divided by 3 equals to 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 3. The power minus 2 is 1 divided by 2 to the power 2 into 3 as it is. So equals to 1 by 4 into 3 equals to 1 by 12. So this is the answer, guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.